The Dowinx LS-6689 series chair features with a full-length backrest reclining function that allows you to recline up to 165 degrees, perfect for you to rest during games. To adjust the backrest recline angle, fully lift the recline lever on the right side of the chair and lean back gently until the backrest reaches your desired angle. Before lifting the lever, do not apply any backwards force to the backrest, as this might cause structural damage to the chair. Slowly return the lever to lock the angle lock. The Dowinx patented linkage armrests recline together with the backrest, which provides better support for your arms even in a laying down position. Pull the straps to adjust the lumbar support to the best desired position. The head pillow, designed for better neck support, is filled with fine memory foam. Adjust the head pillow by the straps. Adjust the seat height according to your body type by pulling the seat lifting lever located at the right side of the chair. When raising the seat, lift your hips and pull up the lever gently. Release your hand from the lever when the seat reaches your desired height. When lowering the seat, sit deeply in the center of the seat. Pull up the lever gently. Release your hand from the lever when the seat lowers to your desired height. The multi-tilt mechanism allows you to tilt the seat base freely. Adjust the multi-tilt mechanism to your preferences by turning the grip at the bottom of the seat. Turn the grip clockwise to strengthen the seat base movement. To weaken the movement, turn the grip counterclockwise. Slide the footrest out whenever you desire to.